Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the first day of April in the year 2025, our system has classified Meta as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.56. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects no change, remaining at a loss of 0% since our initial recommendation to hold or accumulate. The stock currently rests within the lower bounds of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $575.70 be breached, it would initially signal a heightened rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 5.22% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 6.89% to an increase of 15.85%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month projection suggests a change of 37.24%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 35.18% and 78.54% over the next year. In present terms, this implies that the future price may fall between $792.14 and $1,046.22. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold, accumulate after Tuesday trading session. The Meta stock price gained 1.67% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025. The price rose from $576.36 to $586. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.49%, with a daily low of $570.01 and a daily high of $589.91. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.63% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 8 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $7.5 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $740.89, while the lowest was $414.50. Currently, the price is 20.91%, or $154.89, below the 52-week high of 7. Recent developments surrounding Meta Platforms Incorporated are capturing market attention and could influence the stock's performance, both in the short and long term. Stephanie Link, the Chief Investment Officer at Hightower, recently highlighted her decision to buy shares in Meta, which may bolster investor confidence and drive demand for the stock. However, Meta is also navigating challenges. The United States Senate has opened a review into its attempts to penetrate the Chinese market, raising regulatory scrutiny that may hinder future growth prospects. Additionally, the departure of Joel Pinot, Meta's head of artificial intelligence research, introduces a significant leadership gap during a crucial period of investment in artificial intelligence. This exit comes as Meta faces intensified competition within the artificial intelligence sector, potentially undermining its strategic initiatives. Looking ahead, Meta is set to announce its first quarter financial results on the 30th of April, 2025, which could further sway investor sentiment based on performance metrics. In the immediate term, these mixed signals positive buy interest and leadership disruptions could lead to volatility in Meta's stock. Long-term implications depend on how effectively the company addresses regulatory hurdles and maintains its competitive edge in artificial intelligence innovation. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned Meta a strong buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned Meta a sector perform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned Meta a market perform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned Meta a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Meta a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.67%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Although prices gained during the last trading day, volume decreased, resulting in a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The Meta stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a more negative outlook for the stock. Furthermore, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $599.69 and $640.36. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $584.06. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $19.90 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.49%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.72%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.33. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $596.25. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $584.06. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta, according to various analyst sources, is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On March 25, 2025, Jennifer Newstead conducted an insider sale of 921 shares of Class A common stock. On March 24, 2025, Javier Olivan executed an insider sale of 608 shares of Class A common stock. On March 20, 2025, Javier Olivan engaged in an insider purchase of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units, also known as RSUs, of Class A. On March 20, 2025, Andrew Bosworth also made an insider purchase of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units of Class A. On March 20, 2025, Christopher K. Cox performed an insider purchase of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units of Class A. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 14.504. In total, insiders acquired 202,871 shares, while selling 154,883 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $556.32, reflecting a decrease of 5.06%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified just 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta currently exhibits several negative signals, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it might be prudent to view it as a hold candidate, meaning one should either hold or accumulate shares in this position while waiting for further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, we anticipate that Meta will open lower by $4.03, starting at $581.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.